It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we're making a healthier sweet potato pie. This is my favorite pie to make, so let's go ahead and get started. First, you want to take 2 cups of almond flour and then add in 1/4 cup of sweetener, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and give that a good mix. Then you want to combine your wet ingredients, so you want to add 1 egg and 3 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter and give that a good mix. And then add the ingredients to a food processor. This is going to create a pie crust. You can also use store-bought crust if you wish. So give that just a few quick pulses. You don't need to overmix. And then grease a 9.5-inch pie pan with a little butter. Go ahead and roll your crust out into the bottom of that pie pan. I like to take the bottom of a drinking cup and kind of flatten that out. And then you want to bake that crust for 10 minutes in a 350-degree oven. Allow that crust to cool for 15 minutes and make your sweet potato filling. And then you're going to take 1 pound of fresh sweet potatoes. You can either bake, air fry, or boil those sweet potatoes. Then once you've got your cooked sweet potatoes, go ahead and add the flesh from the sweet potatoes to a food processor, along with 1 cup of sweetener, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/2 cup of melted unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 cup of buttermilk, and then 2 room temperature eggs. And then go ahead and give that just a couple of pulses to combine the ingredients. You don't need to overmix this. This will cause cracks in your crust, so just a couple of pulses to get it combined. Then you want to grab your pie crust and pour that filling into the pie crust. Give it a nice spread to equally distribute. And then you're going to bake that for 35 to 40 minutes in a 350-degree oven. And there you have it, sweet potato pie.